So yeah, check this out. Rain and snow, my ace. Look how much it's accumulating. Feels like I'm walking on hail. Check it out, check it out, check it out. It's like itty bitty little snowballs. This is crazy. This is so crazy. Yeah, this is like tiny little bits of hail. This is not rain. Ow! Ow! This, dear friends, is not snow. Oh, it's cold out. Ow! This is hail, this ain't snow. So now it's snowing.
It's raining.
It's not raining, baby. It's snowing.
It's so warm.
Now it's snowing.
Look at this, Mom.
And it is... yeah, it's accumulating pretty good. I almost want to walk out there. I ain't got no shoes on. Screw it. Maybe not. Get a top pinch here. Oh yeah, that's snow now. Just a little. For those of you who missed the fun, it is now officially snowing. Kind of redundant, but nonetheless. It was raining, then sleeting, then hailing, and now we finally get snow. 1 inch, my ace. Look at this. And it's cold, but it's pretty. I love it.